Remember, folks, the goal is to keep the balloons on the car inflated. You run out of balloons, I take it you are out. All right, folks. I've been told that we are ready, so what we're going to do tonight, folks, we're going to count it down like a big regular old finale. So, Derby fans, make a little noise and let me know, are you ready? Wailing Cage, get a little louder. Are you ready? Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start smashing! I've already heard balloons pop now. You got kids skipping over to a whole different class of racing? Oh, I'm hearing balloons. Come on, folks, cheer these kids on. Oh, that was solid. That was a nice one. Now the driver of the Hot Wheels car is like, yeah, mine's too pretty to do all that. We've got the older age group down on this side over here to my right, and the younger ones here to the left. Oh, there's our first one. It's out. Purple Power Wheel right there. Well, no one's really out, but you know. I wonder if anyone will say that the balloons were underinflated. Oh, we've got a broken axle. I guess that happens in Power Wheels too. That's us, 08.
Yeah. Drive around in circles.
Possible driver's side door hit, I don't know. We're going to wait for the officials on that one. Why is there even a black flag out there? Or a red flag? Do we have rollovers tonight for Power Wheels? We are loving it. Power Wheels, we're down to 2 or 3. Oh, down to 2, I believe, on the older age bracket, and 3 on the younger. You know, the balloons wouldn't fold upwards. There's our older age bracket on camera now. There you go. Oh! We're down to 2 in the younger age bracket. They're head to head, ready to go. Oh, here we go. 2 balloons versus 1 balloon in the younger age bracket. And the older, it's all 1 to 1. My Facebook Live, kdda fans got a shout out from Ironhead, Chris McNett. Tim Robron, nice of you to join us. Whoa, that was a nice head-to-head shot right there. Sound effects provided by the pit. So far, this is much better than any balloon race I saw in a full-size car. I think these two just said, the heck with the balloons, we're just going to hit each other. And we're still down to 2 in the younger age class. And it's still the same, 2 balloons to 1. And they're going ring around the post. Oh, there he goes, trying to get it on the corner. All right, folks, these last few racers, let's cheer them on! They saved up all their allowance, and half of them drive better than their parents. Uh-oh. We had some spit in, but it's broke free. See if we can add a little something to this here. Seconds! 60 seconds! All right, folks, let's see where all the kids are today. Here in a moment, they should give me info on our top drivers. Again, it's brought to you by Data's Heating and Cooling. All right. And for the younger kids, the gray Jeep right there in front is your winner. And for the older kids, his name's Junior, driving 253. He is your winner. Again, tonight's action will be brought to you by Dana's Heating and Cooling. There we go. That's it. That's cool stuff right there. All right, folks, give us just a few moments to get the track cleared off, and we're going to get some racing underway. It's Whaling Days!